In this video, I'm going to talk about D4 heart U6. Normal heart sounds are caused by the atrioventricular valves and semilunar valves closing, causing changes in blood flow. First, let us see the position of the valves. Now, semilunar valves are located at the base of the pulmonary artery and the aorta, whereas the atrioventricular valves are located between the auricles and the ventricle. So, as we know, valves are structures which prevent the backflow of blood. So, what happens when the blood tries to move back? First of all, when the ventricles contract, they push the blood out of the heart. Now, during this time, they also try to move, that is, the blood tries to move into the auricles, because of which the atrioventricular valves snap shut. Due to this shutting of the valves, it produces a sound. This is the first heart sound, which is called as lub. After the ventricles are emptied, that is, the blood flows out of the heart through the pulmonary artery and the aorta, the semilunar valves close shut. That produces the second heart sound, dub.